Okay, let's do this. Lesson 13. Let's make it nice and big here. We're at the beginning. This is about reading graphics. What are graphics? Graphics are pictures that include tables. That's a graphic. Charts, diagrams, timelines, pie chart, bar graphs, line graphs. All of these are graphics. Graphics help us to understand messages, and they usually they can accompany text as well. So how do we read graphic text? Try to read from the left to right, top to bottom. So read, this is like a page, you read from the left to right, top from bottom, and kind of like a Z format. Try to find the title first. See when it was made. Is the source reliable? Look at any headings that you can see. Are there any arrows moving your eyes? So that's kind of like the intro to that. Step 2, you're going to look over the following graphics. I'm just going to do one thing quickly. Just going to mute for a sec. Okay. You're going to look over the following graphics, and you're going to answer these questions. What type of graphic is it? Is it a table, chart, diagram, timeline, pie chart, bar graph, or line graph? What is it showing? Again, look at the title, look at the source, look at any headings or other text that you see. Which one is easiest to understand? Which one do you trust and why? So there's 3 graphics. There's 1, there's 2, and there's 3. Okay, so again, look at all 3. Say, what type of graphic is it? What is it showing? If you're not sure what type of graphic, you can just use your best guess. You can just describe it. Step 3. Look at the following 48 graphics. So we see this side, then this side. What's the difference here? Look at this side, what's the difference? This side, what's the difference? This side, what's the difference? Then watch this video that explains how this campaign by Greenpeace came to be and what the message was. You're going to describe at least one of the images using the criteria for graphics at the beginning of the lesson. And then you're going to say, was it an effective campaign? So what are the criteria for graphics? Right here. So they have to have visual appeal, they have to be clear and eye-catching. Were those graphics eye-catching? Were there labels so you could quickly and easily identify information? Were there titles? Were the graphics close to the information, if there was information? And was there a lot of information in a small space? So that's what you're going to do with these 3. The second question is a little bit more important, and it's saying, was this an effective campaign? So this tells you what the purpose of the campaign was. Now you have to say if this campaign was effective. Did it make you understand the message? Was the message clear? That is basically if it's effective or not. Yeah, so I hope this was, maybe I should go a little bit more detail. Which one is easiest to understand? So when you look at these graphics, they're all kind of telling the same thing. Which one was the easiest to understand? If you can say why, that would be great. This is your opinion. Which ones do you trust? How can you trust information? Well, first thing, it has to be recent, so it can't be old. It has to be from reliable sources. CBC, BBC, the Canadian, American government is reliable. Are there experts, professionals, scientists? And is it from a reputable publisher? Okay, so you're gonna have to try your best to look for who made this. So the source, 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 and judge if it is reliable and you can trust it or not. All right, good luck with the lessons. If you have any questions, please let me know.